I want you to set a revenue goal. You may be thinking to yourself, Carla, my goal is to make as much money as possible. And it is, but that's a little elusive. I want a dollar amount put to that. Whether you want to make $100,000 a year, $200,000 a year, $10,000 a year, I need you to set a revenue goal. Why is that? Because people that set goals have a tendency to land somewhere between their goal and zero, right? So if you set a goal, you're going to navigate yourself there automatically, because business owners are competitive. And being competitive means you need to establish the level of play for yourself. So if it's 100 grand, then make it 100 grand. 200 grand, make it 200 grand. Either way, I need a revenue goal for you on an annual basis that we can then break down on a monthly basis, weekly basis, and so forth.